Have you ever heard of vision boards but felt skeptical about whether they actually work? Well, let me tell you something. Vision boards combined with clear goal setting are not just Pinterest crafts, they are powerful tools for manifesting your dreams. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to create a vision board that actually works and align it with your goals for maximum impact. We'll cover why vision boards are effective, how to build one step by step, and key mistakes to avoid. Firstly, what is a vision board and why it works? A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and dreams, using images, words, and symbols. Here's the scientific backing, as visualized in neuroscience. The brain doesn't differentiate between a vividly imagined experience and reality, which strengthens neural pathways for achieving goals. Also, in the reticular activating system, RAS, your brain filters information, and focusing on your vision board primes your mind to notice opportunities related to your goals. I once heard of a real-life story of a friend who achieved a big goal using a vision board. You too can. Secondly, how do you create an effective vision board? Here is a step-by-step guide. 1. Define your goals. Break them into categories: career, health, relationships, personal growth, finances, etc. 2. Gather materials. Materials such as magazines, printed images, scissors, glue, a corkboard or poster board. 3. Find inspirational images and words. Look for visuals that resonate deeply with your goals. For example, a tropical beach for a vacation goal, a strong heart for fitness, etc. 4. Organize your board. Place images and text strategically based on categories. Keep it uncluttered but vibrant. 5. Add affirmations. Write short, positive statements like, "I am confident and capable of achieving my dreams." Use a digital vision board app like Canva or Pinterest if you prefer online tools. And place your board somewhere you'll see it daily to reinforce your goals. Thirdly, let's explore how to align vision boards with SMART goals. A vision board is just the starting point. It's the inspiration. The goals are the roadmap. SMART goals are broken down into specific. Clearly define what you want. Measurable. Add milestones to track progress. Achievable. Make sure it's realistic. Relevant. Align your goals with your vision board themes. Time-bound. Add deadlines to stay focused. For example, having a vision board with a picture of a marathon runner. The SMART goal will be to run a half marathon in 6 months by training 4 times a week. Take one item from your vision board and write a corresponding SMART goal. Daily habits to reinforce your vision are stated as follow. 1. Morning visualization. Spend 5 minutes visualizing your goals as if they're already achieved. Second, gratitude practice. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day to stay positive and motivated. Third, track progress. Use a journal or app to track how your daily actions align with your vision board. Quote affirmations. Repeat affirmations from your vision board out loud daily. 5. Celebrate wins. Acknowledge small achievements as you work toward your bigger dreams. On the other hand, common mistakes to avoid in order to manifest your dreams into reality are: Mistake 1. Making a vision board without setting clear goals. A vision board without action is just a collage. Mistake 2. Placing the board out of sight. If you don't see it daily, it won't influence your mindset. Mistake 3. Overloading the board with too many goals. Focus is key. Prioritize what truly matters to you. Mistake 4. Not revisiting or updating the board. Your goals evolve, and so should your vision board. We've covered everything from the science behind vision boards to how to create one and align it with your goals. Now it's your turn to take action. What's one goal you're adding to your vision board today? Share it in the comments and inspire others. Remember, the power of a vision board isn't just in creating it. It's in taking action every single day to turn your dreams into reality. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to help you live your best life. Remember, the power of a vision board isn't just in creating it. It's in taking action every single day to turn your dreams into reality. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to help you live your best life.